So let's solve the next problem. Okay, so let us see what it is. Here we need to show that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. Let us take LHS and we need to get RHS part. So let us take first one. So that is LHS, that equal to what? Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is what which is LHS given. Okay, now tell me sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, and here 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is given now, and we need to simplify this. Tell me what we have to do here to get the answer. So very smallest adjustment we need to do here. That adjustment would be, just see, if you can carefully observe, in these two terms of the numerator part sin theta is a common one, and two terms of the denominator cos theta is common. So take common sin theta from all terms of numerator part. When you take sin theta out, then 1 is left over, and here what? Minus 2. Here sin theta is taken out. Now sin square theta will be left over or not? So sin square theta is left. Okay. By here cos theta is taken common from these two terms. So write down cos theta here outside of the bracket. Now here 2 cos theta, cos theta is taken. So here cos square theta will be left over or not? So here 2 cos theta is taken common. So cos square theta minus, when cos theta is taken common, here 1 is left. Okay, this is what about this. Now just see. Think here sin theta, separate this, sin theta by cos theta. Right. Now just think here 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Let us do the further simplification. So here this numerator part 1 minus 2 sin square theta is this, and this is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1 is this. Now if you want to solve it, so what should be our result here? Just think, what should be our result? We need to get tan theta. Means here ratio of sin theta and cos theta is tan theta. That means we need to do some adjustment in this numerator and denominator, in these two terms, so that these two can be cancelled. Understood? Of course, cancellation is not important. There should exist such a situation. Understood? So now 1 minus 2 sin square theta is here, and here 2 cos square theta minus 1 is existing over here. Simple. Again consider sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1, which is basic trigonometric identity. And if you take this cos square theta to another side, symbol get changes and you get sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? So 1 minus cos square theta. Just put this result over here. Okay. Now just sin theta by cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta into, just rewrite this as 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 into, in place of sin square theta we can replace it with 1 minus cos square theta. In place of sin square theta substitute with 1 minus cos square theta. So this is 1 minus cos square theta. Just once again I am explaining to you that here we wrote this expression as it is, but here 1 minus 2 into, in place of sin square theta we replaced it with 1 minus cos square theta, right? By 2 cos square theta minus 1, just write as it is. Okay, now simplify this further. Tan theta into 1 minus, here multiply 2 into 1, 2, minus into plus, minus, so minus 2. Here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, okay, 2 into cos square theta, that would be 2 cos square theta by 2 cos square theta minus 1. Right? So now what happens? Here tan theta, okay, into, just see here, this is 2 cos square theta minus 2 plus 1, again it is minus 1, by what it is? 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now tell me, in numerator and denominator, this 2 cos square theta minus 1 is a common term or not? We can do the cancellation. So obviously we get what? Tan theta equal to RHS, which is required result. Okay. So therefore here we took LHS and we got RHS. So therefore here it just depends on, you don't need to have more intelligence for solving this type of problems. We need to do some such adjustment in among the terms, so that these terms should be cancelled over there. We are doing just adjustment between these two terms, so that they are cancelled and tan theta is only remained on RHS part. That's it. So students, I think you might have enjoyed this video. Okay, if you have any doubts or if you want anything else from me, just put them in the comment box, so that we'll consider all the comments and we'll try to modify our subject also. Right? Thank you.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.